What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your World Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell somebody because we litty over here. And without further ado, y'all, I got some jewelry from the Expressway, and I just want to show y'all. First, let me start off by showing y'all these two bangles I got, y'all. These is brass bangles. Thought these was real cute. I have some paint on here because I think I rubbed up against the wall, but yes, definitely cute. And then these are a combination from, well, that's real, but this is from the Expressway and I think like Temu and stuff. Make sure you get either, what is it, titanium steel or stainless steel, because I did notice that if it's marked in the inside, sometimes it still turns. So just stick with the stainless steel, titanium steel. All right, y'all, let's see. This is cute. It's like a cuff bracelet. Okay. Yeah, so it's a cuff bracelet. Very cute. Oh, it's like a seashell. What is it? Seashell Taco Bell. EVIV over. I had a dog named Rover. Y'all remember that back in the day when we used to do, what was it? Jump rope. This is cute. So these is adjustable, they can open. And y'all, I got a big wrist, so it's just like most of the time, unless I see that the numbers of the bracelet, I just rather just get an open cuff link. This is cute. Y'all, my hands is ashy and I need a filling, but don't judge me. Yeah, this is cute. And this is brass. It says forever love you. Forever love you. Oh, better love yourself. Brass. Forever Shanae. I thought these were so cute. So as you can see, a chain comes with it. Y'all know I love a good chromey pinky ring, looking like a nugget. Baby, you can't. Y'all know I love a good chromey. And then y'all, that little kitty with that thing on her. She said, "But that." A lot of people were saying they didn't like the chain because it's like a rope chain. It's okay, I got a different type of chain, so I can always change it. But this is fire. This is cute. And it has like the ricketness, like how the nugget rings. Y'all know me. At the age I am, I'm somebody's 90s auntie. I'm stuck in the 90s, baby. The rings and stuff, the bracelets, the bangles, baby. I'm stuck in the 90s. It's definitely giving 90s, y'all. The nugget. Come on now. I was going to say you had to be there to experience. I mean, I was there, but I wasn't coherent. Because, baby, I was a kid. I was born in 91. So, baby, I was living through it, but I was unaware. This is a size 7. This is cute. Betty Boop. So cute. So yeah, y'all, this is my mini haul of the little things I purchased from the Expressway. I thought it was from DH also, but it's just from the Expressway. So if you made it this far, you know what time it is. What time is it? It's game time. It's game time. Y'all know I'm so goofy. But yeah, y'all, if you made it this far, guess what? We got a giveaway. Lean with it, rock with it, lean with it. So, what's going to be the giveaway? First off, we got to do the rules. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow the IG at Rare Secrets if you have IG. If not, you can still inquire. You can still entry. Get your entry in. You can enter. Even if you don't, have social media, you can still enter. And what else? The word is going to be hashtag bling bling. Because that's what we showing. We showing bling bling. Wait. Pink earring were about 50 bling bling. So, make sure you follow the rules. Hashtag bling bling. And what is, you ask, what is the giveaway? Well, baby, y'all know I be buying stuff, baby. I be buying it. And I wanted to do a giveaway last year, but totally slipped my mind, y'all. Now, these are unboxings and stuff I have purchased that I can't fix. So, if you're not interested, that's okay. But, babes, if you're still here, what it is? Oh, what's up? What's up? So, what's the giveaway? I don't know if it's going to be just one person or two. I don't know. I'm going to think on it. While we're doing this, we're thinking on it. So, this got to be somebody that got a little wrist. If you have a big Paul Bunyan wrist like this, baby, don't look like I could cook. I got that thing in the back of my arm too, y'all. That big ham hock, yeah. But my arm like this, y'all. That mean I can cook. y'all know what I just thought of? Never mind. Let me keep that to myself. No, but seriously, let me say it. Can y'all, because the other day I was watching Ray Charles, right? Can y'all believe, like, he was really feeling girls' arms like, no ugh mug. Y'all think he would have felt my arm would be like, come on, cutie? Anyway, y'all, that's my life. I just be randomly thinking of things. But anyway, so yeah, for this giveaway, small hands, small arms, because babes, these are small. Yes, this is a small little dainty bracelet. As you can see, I have a version of this bracelet I'm about to show y'all, but I had to get a bigger size because, baby, I think this is supposed to be like a Tiffany dupe, if I'm not mistaken. Tiffany dupe bracelet. It's a little and dainty. This is a Pandora dupe bracelet, if I'm not mistaken, I think. And some might say, well, why you just send it back, y'all? The hassle of sending this stuff back. And I think this is between the Expressway and DH. It don't even be worth it. I'd rather not. I'd rather not, babes. This is a heart bracelet. Not sure what this is a dupe of, but as you can see, it is small, small diameter. These are 3 different bracelets interlocked into each other, but it's so cute. You have the, because it's a rose gold Cartier bracelet. So it's a Cartier bracelet dupe. It has rose gold, gold, and silver. Another dainty bracelet. And y'all, they might be open because, like, I did an unboxing with them, but, you know, baby, I can't fit them. That's the same bracelet that's in that one. Let me see what else. We have some resizable rings. Cute. This is a size 7 ring. It's like a heart. I think this is the stamp one, so this might turn. Not sure. That Betty Boop one, they actually sent this to me for free. Because I think they sent me the wrong size Kuromi pinky ring, but it ended up working. As you can see, it fits. So this is a size 7. So I'm not a Betty Boop fan, and that's no shade to anybody that like Betty Boop. It's just I was never a Betty Boop fan. I wanted that Kuromi one, so they sent this as a gift. So we got the Betty Boop pinky ring, and then I had ordered this before, but it was the wrong one. This is a Hello Kitty ring, size 8. This is all by the Hello Kitty, and the Kuromi stuff is by the same vendor, y'all. Let me know. Holla at me on Instagram, or even send me an email. Cause yeah, the same person, like they got necklaces, bracelets, earrings, like so cute. Another golden bangle bracelet, as you can see, is very small. And what else? And this was a Pandora ring. And I think it like oxidized or turned. I don't know. You might have to put it in some jewelry cleaner and wipe it off, because it is in silver. So I'm not gonna throw it away because it don't look like the gold part turned. So yeah, if you got some jewelry cleaner with a jewelry cloth, just try wiping it off. If not, just throw it away. So yeah, y'all, that's a nice little combo. I think I'm going to I'm not gonna pick 2 people on one. I don't know, I got enough. We're gonna pick one, because babe, this is enough to stack them. No, we're gonna pick 2. We're gonna pick 2. Sharing is caring, and we're a loving family over here, because we are a family, like a something. Y'all know, dream girls, whatever. So we're gonna have 2 winners. I'm not sure how I'm gonna divvy up the situation, but whatever you get, I just divvied it up. So I'm gonna try to make it fair and square and all of there, and yeah, go from there. But yeah, y'all, so once again, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, like the video, comment, all that jazz. Make sure you follow the YouTube channel. If you have social media, follow the Instagram channel. And also the word is going to be #bling-bling. And y'all know how I do. I let it go for about 2 or 3 weeks, and then we'll pick the winner. And y'all, please make sure when I reach out to y'all, reach back, okay? Even though if you end up being the backup winner, reach out back. Come on now. Y'all be saying nothing to a sister. But yes, good luck to everybody, and hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.